Today we talk about how can you find your followers and following on your Brandly app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Brandly app. So all you have to do to find this list of your following and followers. So you just go down, click here on profile down here. When you just click here on profile, so then it's going when you click here on profile here, it's going to take you to this list. So then all you have to do, so you just come here to followers. Here we find your followers. So I have no followers, but if you have them, we'll find them here in this list. So and here you will find your following. So too, I have no following here, but if you have any of them, you will find them here in this list. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.